Have you ever felt lost? Not because you didn't have the strength, but because you didn't know where to focus it. In a world full of noise, distractions, and endless opinions, the Stoics left us a simple but powerful roadmap. Today, we rediscover it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "In every situation, ask yourself, what is the right thing to do right now with the right intention?" 7 simple tasks. 1 peaceful mind. The mind wasn't designed for chaos. It was designed for clarity. And the Stoics taught that every human mind has 7 natural built-in functions, the operating system for living rightly. Here they are. Choice, to do and think rightly. Refusal, to resist what's wrong. Yearning and to reach toward truth and goodness. Repulsion, to reject what is false and harmful. Preparation, to be ready for life's challenges. Purpose, to stay connected to something bigger than yourself. Assent, to accept reality without distortion. Master these and you master yourself. Ignore them and the world masters you. Imagine waking up each day feeling pulled in 100 different directions. Your mind is scattered, a notification here, an opinion there, endless worries about things you can't control. That's not living, that's drifting. The Stoics offer something better, a mind that knows where to stand and when to move, a mind that doesn't just react, it chooses. Mind that doesn't chase, it yearns for what matters. A mind that doesn't fear, it prepares calmly. A mind that doesn't cling to illusions, it accepts reality fully. You already have this power inside you. The 7 functions aren't something you need to invent. They are already yours, waiting for you to remember them. Every moment is a choice, to return to yourself, to live with intention, not reaction, to build, not to drift. The battle isn't outside, it's always inside. Think of a firefighter. In an emergency, they don't panic. They don't waste time asking, why is this happening? They know their training. Choose the right action, refuse fear, yearn to help, repel panic, prepare for what's ahead. Stay focused on the mission. Accept that the situation is dangerous, but never let it control them. The Stoic mind works the same way. Your life might not be a burning building, but your challenges, your fears, your distractions, they need the same calm, focused mind. Don't get lost in the noise. Return to the simple duties of your mind. Choose, refuse, yearn, repel, prepare. Stay purposeful. Accept reality. You are built for this. The outside world may shake, but your mind, if trained rightly, will stand unshaken.